I went from no kitchen cabinet handles to these amazing handles you see here. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If today is the very first time coming across my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell. That way anytime I upload any video, you will not miss it. I also posted my first video on the empty house tour. As you guys can tell, the cabinet did not have any handle. But I would like it that way, but because I have little ones who are very active opening back and forth the cabinet and it's white, just wanted to preserve the cabinet a little bit longer. So I purchased these off Amazon. Each one comes with 2 longer nails and 2 small ones. If you have a thicker cabinet, shorter cabinet thickness, you can use the shorter ones. And if you have a cabinet that is in between, all you have to do is use the longer one, just use a plier and cut the rest off. I will also list the link where I purchased it from. It's about less than $30 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll put the link up. Guys, while I'm at it, I also purchased this off Amazon. It's under the cabinet paper towel handle. My kids will just eat paper towel and will just fall apart and fall down and roll around. So I found this off Amazon. I'll also list the link for you. There are 3 options I have in mind where I want to place these cabinet handles. Right here, a bit lower, or further up to the middle of the cabinets. I would like to choose right here, not so low and not so high up, right next to the inside groove. I measured 3 inches across. I will go ahead and put a mark in the middle, about 1.5 inches in the center of the 3 inches. If you have any type of masking tape, go ahead and use that right now. Whatever mark I make, I'll be careful to wipe them off. I will also repeat the same process I did to the bottom to the top as well. I will measure at 3 inches and make a mark 1.5 inches in between the 3 inches. I will go ahead and sample it out, and this is exactly what I'm looking for. Just like so. Then I will go ahead to drill. I will gently wipe down any debris or marks that I made. Then I will gently switch from a drill to a screw. For an easier process, I gently put the screw in first by hand before using the drill to screw it in. This is basically all I did, so I will continue the same process until all of the cabinets are all complete. It was a total of 30 handles that came in. I used about 18 and I have some left over from my other cabinet in the bathroom and the rest. These handles made all the difference in this cabinet. Check out the paper towel holder that I also put up. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Like, comment, and share this video to everyone. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I'll see you next time. Bye.